Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. Today we're performing a roof replacement in the city of Leesburg, Virginia. Everything is coming along beautifully. The type of shingle we're installing is called GAF Timberline HD, and the color is weathered wood. It's an excellent shingle, but just like with anything else, it is only as good as the contractor who installs it. And if it's not fastened perfectly, not only will the homeowner develop leaks, but also he'll have problems with shingles blowing off. Now you see that black line right over here to the wood fascia. That's done to all places where the new gutters are going to be installed. And this is very important. Not only is the ice and water seal fully adhered to the plywood underneath the shingles, but it's overlapping the wood fascia by 4 inches. Now when it's time to screw the new gutters into place, the ice and water shield will seal the screws from behind, and it also covers the open space between the wood fascia and the wood sheathing underneath the shingles. So even if we had a very heavy melting snow or ice dam, this home will not leak. Now you see the wood framing here. We took off the skylight glass dome. The reason why is because the homeowner did not want to change the skylight, so we're completely rebuilding it. We're going to fully adhere the ice and water shield to the plywood completely around the skylight, and then we're going to extend the ice and water shield up the sides and overlap the top. And then we'll install the new flashing, and we'll put new shingles on, and then the glass dome will be put back into place. And also we're going to seal where the glass and the metal frame meet on the top of the skylight with polyurethane. It's going to be like a brand new skylight. The screening here on the porch was damaged. There was a step ladder here before, and one of the men accidentally hit it and it fell over and it damaged the screen. So we're going to replace this screen with new, and of course no charge to the homeowner. It's our fault. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement in Leesburg and all areas of northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.